Welcome here to what is, for the first time in a long while, a battle of Beyblades, because the table has a lot of stuff on it before. But now finally, we've cleaned everything off of it. Back here, isn't that where the back is? Where before the back would be, but where the stadium ends right here on my hand. But now you go all the way back, and that's where it is. And I have my look up there. A neat organization of Beyblades. Where up top we have Metal Fusion, Metal Masters. Then right here we have 0G and 4D. And then in here we have XTS and Day Wheels. Even though eventually once Shogun Steel gets here more, and I can get more 0G from Japan, this will go back to being 0G like it was before. Either way, right now, it's time for you to see a video. Battle. And it's between these two great Beyblades that we have here. And really, it's gonna be an awesome battle. Come back here and grab my launcher. Got my launcher. Okay. And it's between Electro Tornado Pegasus and Electro Tornado Pegasus. Oh no, no. And the blue Electro Tornado Pegasus takes the first win. There it is. You win. Okay, second round. There he goes. Oh man. This time it's Electro Tornado Pegasus. The other one. I'll say Electro Tornado Pegasus blue or blue. Here we go. What the heck? Broke my launcher. Oh my gosh, stop! Flying out of the stadium. It's gonna stuff my knee. And that one is the gold one. You see Electro Tornado Pegasus gold falling down. That brings me to the final round. And that one was won by Electro Tornado Pegasus. Gold.